What do you do when you finish the first row? How do you start your second row? Here I'm doing the knit stitch on the row. And if you can remember the knit stitch, if you're just learning, it's in, around, through, off. And you're going to continue to do that until all the stitches on your left needle are completely on your right needle with the new stitches. So I have 2 stitches left. I'm going to knit those. And now all the stitches are on my right needle and my left needle's empty. So the next thing you do to start a new row is you're going to transfer the needle that's on your right hand and switch it to your left, and then the empty needle is on your right, and now you may begin the new row. Just remember, when you start every new row with knitting needles, the needle in your left hand has the stitches, and then the needle on your right hand is empty, and the working yarn is at the top of the needle, this being the working yarn. So let's start a new row. Okay, I'm at the end of this row. All the new stitches are on my right needle in my right hand, and then the stitches are gone on my left needle. So to start that new row, I just transfer the needle with the stitches in my right hand back to my left hand and have the empty needle in my right hand. And that's it. And you just keep repeating that process over and over until it's the length that you want for your project. So I hope this tip has helped you so you can start working on your new project, and let me know what else you'd like to learn. Please give it a thumbs up if it helped you, and don't forget to subscribe. And happy knitting!